In mechanical science, students learn a variety of technical skills. We focus a lot on engines. We do a bunch with welding. They earn their tractor safety certificate, and the program works well because it feeds into not just other classes in the ag department, although that works well, but it goes into other trades as well. So really a variety of trades are served with mechanical science.
Well, I just found a lot of interests that I had, like little engines, wiring. Welding is a big one. I just felt like I needed that. I haven't really gotten to that point in my life of learning it, so I figured.
Students will go to, sometimes they go right into the workforce, sometimes they go to technical schools where they're getting training in a specific trade, like becoming an automotive technician. A lot of our students from the mechanical science class will go on to the auto and the diesel programs that we have here, forestry, sustainable ag. Some students go to 2-year and 4-year degrees as well. We don't do any kind of work placement through mechanical science, but we do bring in quite a few projects for students to work on. In the spring, we open up a service shop working on people's lawn mowers and doing service right as part of the program. I love my job. The fact that I get to come in and help students work on hands-on projects that they're excited about, and it's just so much fun, and seeing the students get excited and more engaged in what they're working on, it's such a treat.